My name is Cyril Johnston. I was a sub-lieutenant on HMCS Kootenay. We came here for firefighter training, and it was on this particular property. They had refinery type tanks, and we trained going inside those tanks fighting a fire. We also did some open pit fires, putting those out. So this place was really critical for us as it turned out, because I think without the training that we had here at the facility, I don't think that we would have saved the ship, quite frankly.
So the damage control training facility Kootenay is relatively new in the training world. We've got it in 2002. Prior to that, we were training in an open field with diesel pits, and we came up with this idea of a facility dedicated to flood, fire, and hazmat training. And there were discussions, what were we going to call this new facility? We always did our training and always learned and heard about the Kootenay explosion in 1969. So it was a very natural progression when we got this facility that DCTF Kootenay was the proper name.
For myself and for the rest of the guys, and I speak for them and their wives, they love coming out here. I think it makes us feel like we belong. It's like we're still part of it. We're still part of the story. And when you talk to the guys, they'll tell you the same thing. They love coming to the school.
Well, we went through it. They had a tour of it in those days when it was just new, and we toured everything, and it was far different than it was when I took it, and it was just fantastic, actually. You know, it was a real thing to see then, so we were very pleased with it.
I'm Lieutenant Commander Andrew Cumming. I'm the Damage Control Division Commander at NFSA. During my turnover, it was turned over to me that there was a contact in the family that I'm involved with, and they're able to call us whenever they want or drop in whenever they want, and that's a nice thing that we have here. A lot of the staff members know them on a first name basis, and they know each other. But as well, it's very motivational for the staff to see the survivors of that kind of thing and to know that the people they're training could be put in a situation like that where they'd have to react and they'd have to have appropriate response.